Let us consider this particular example where a car is moving on this graph. It is moving from point A to point B. Point A is taken as x1, y1, z1 and point B is taken as x2, y2, z2. Now if you see here, when I have to join these 2 points with a vector, there is only one line with which I can join these 2 points. Why? Because vector is nothing but a quantity that has both magnitude as well as direction. So when I talk about direction, one vector can have only one direction, right? And if I want only one direction, then that should be a straight line. So what I do is, I draw a straight line between this point A as well as point B. That is nothing but my vector AB. This vector AB actually gives the distance between these 2 points. Thus, the magnitude of this particular vector will be giving the distance between the points A as well as B. Now let us take the values for these points x1, y1, z1 as well as x2, y2, z2. Let me take A is equal to 1, 1, 1 and B is equal to 3, 6, 7. Now, if I have to find the value of the vector, that time I'll have to check on the initial as well as final points, right? Because there are only 2 points on which I can concentrate for a particular vector. So, when I concentrate on initial as well as final point, the vector is written as final point minus initial point along x direction plus final point minus initial point along y direction and then final point minus initial point along z direction. Therefore, vector AB can be written as 3 minus 1 into I cap plus 6 minus 1 into j cap plus 7 minus 1 into k cap. Therefore, I get 2 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 6 k cap, where I, j and k are nothing but unit vectors along the x, y as well as z axis. I suppose you have understood how to form a vector joining 2 points.